In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to connect your broker to TradingView, enabling you to place trades directly on this dynamic platform. Our aim is to streamline your trading experience by seamlessly integrating your broker with TradingView, renowned for its powerful charting tools and extensive market insights. To get started, visit TradingView's website at tradingview.com. If you haven't already signed in, take a moment to log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, head over to the chart section. This is where you'll spend most of your time analyzing markets and making informed trading decisions. The chart section is your gateway to the TradingView experience, offering an array of technical analysis tools. Next, we'll enable the trading panel, found at the bottom of your screen. The trading panel is crucial as it allows direct interaction with your broker. Clicking on it reveals a list of brokers that support direct integration with TradingView. Click on All Brokers to view the complete list of compatible options, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that best fits your trading needs. Now, select your broker by browsing through the list and choosing the one with which you have an account or wish to connect. This step is vital because successful integration means you can place trades directly from TradingView without switching between platforms. Once you've selected your broker, click on Connect. This action will initiate the connection process and might redirect you to your broker's login page, where you'll need to enter your account credentials to ensure secure linkage to TradingView. After connecting your broker, move on to the Trading tab to configure the specifics of your trades. Click on Trade to open the trading options, where you can see different order types such as market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. Explore each option to understand their purpose and functionality. Start with Order to view the specific details required for placing a trade. Then explore Limit to set price levels for executing trades. The Stop option is crucial for risk management, helping automate trades based on predetermined loss limits or target prices. To execute trades instantly at the current market price, click on Market. This option is useful for quickly entering or exiting a position. Finally, make your decision to buy or sell. Once you've configured your order settings, determine if you want to execute a purchase or a sale by clicking on the respective options. Ensure that your choice aligns with your analysis and trading strategy. And there you have it. We've successfully covered how to connect your broker to TradingView and walked through the steps necessary to place trades directly on the platform. This integration enhances your trading efficiency, allowing you to focus more on making strategic decisions. Thank you for tuning in and happy trading.